Ka State Women Conference ka panikong la panlong menta ka singa State Convention Center Shillong harengkat bat kapang padeng support and celebrate hakabau mentirong ba ka jalau konrad ke sangmau la plipai ba ya kani conference hakani ka siwa play conference lawan medon langru da chief secretary ka kongripika v suchiang principal secretary social welfare ps kumar but chairperson ka meglia State Women Commission ka kong pidalia toy hakani ka jalang mentirong ba la plipai baru ya ka early childhood development mission but la plight ru ya ka buklet Nakaliang mentirang ba kejelau konrad ke sangma habakren hakani kejelang ula pente bahadu arlangut longkmie kelas nok tilang penisimentah ke conference online na baro ki sau pendu tuli ki blog jong kejela hakaba ula ong bakani ke peni ke jingkut jungmut longkmie kejela na banta ke jingba bat ula pente bak sarkar ke don ya ke jingtuan penlong ya kani conference manlau usnam.
I understand that there are some key issues, especially with safety, with domestic violence, with teenage pregnancy, with single motherhood. I think these are real challenges that are there in front of us. And I think it's only when we come together can we really find a way forward on how we can minimize the impact of these in our society. And that's really what we are here for. I really look forward to the deliberations that you will make. I look forward to all the positive outcomes that will come out of this program today. And as I said, let this not end with this conference, but let this be a beginning of a real change in terms of people coming together. And I hope you connect with each other. You see, there's another purpose of calling this meeting and this conference is to allow you to connect to each other. So talk to each other, don't be shy. You know, if you found somebody really nice and impressive and said, wow, I would like to speak, you know, go ahead, speak, talk to them. I'm sure they are equally, you know, eager to share their experience with you. Be motivated by each other's, you know, achievements. Inspire each other. Make sure that you make the difference. Small stories and small inspirations can have big, you know, difference in people's life. So please talk to each other. You will not get a chance like this all the time. And obviously, if there are ideas that you'd like to share with us, you're always free to always share the ideas with us. Our chairperson and the entire Women's Commission is out here who's there to facilitate the entire process. I would look forward to your suggestions, and I look forward to all of you talking to each other and also figuring out on how to move forward in these important issues that I've mentioned. I can go on and on because this is a subject I'm very passionate about, but I know that we're already running late, and I think I'm told that Mr. Sampath has organized good lunch for us, I'm told. So I'm also looking forward to that. But having said that, once again, I thank the chairperson of the Women's Commission for really taking this initiative and making this happen today, and look forward to a really positive outcome. I thank the Principal Secretary, the Honorable Minister of Social Welfare for having organized this wonderful program. And as I said, I want it for 2 days, but whatever it is, we'll make do with 1 day. But I hope that in the coming conferences, then we have more exciting programs and more interactive programs so that we can really celebrate. As I said, it's not just about talking about the issues, which is important. It's about celebrating also what, you know, the achievements that the different individuals have achieved. So I thank the Social Welfare Department. I thank the self-help groups, the VECs, the entrepreneurs, and all the different members who have joined us today to be part of this very important conference. And with these few words, I also declare the expansion of the services under 181.